As we work our way through our Friday, again, things fairly quiet out there across much of mid-Missouri, and that's going to keep up. We do have a few clouds kind of rotating on through a complex of storms back into Kansas, or at least it was into Kansas. Looks like it's moved into Oklahoma, kind of throwing those high-level clouds back our direction. But other than that, pretty steady as she goes here as we head into this afternoon. We have been continuing that drying trend that we started really yesterday afternoon, and you see these dew point temperatures up around those middle 70s. That is downright uncomfortable, but we've improved that pretty significantly into this afternoon. So get out there and enjoy it any way that we've got it. But we are going to be tracking some more storm chances. Latest look at future track, again, still speaking just about the same tune here as we continue to watch some of these showers and thunderstorms barrel right along that state line between Kansas and Missouri. I think that's where we're going to be seeing that better bet at some of these stronger storms possibly into the early morning hours. Notice the times there getting up around 5 and 6 o'clock in the morning. This looks primarily Saturday morning's problem. By the afternoon, it looks like we may be even trending drier, and that's certainly going to be okay by a lot of us. But that humidity with a lot of that rainfall is not going to be exactly pleasant out there for some of us. Temperatures going to be topping out in those middle or even upper 80s here both Saturday and Sunday. I think we got a better chance of maybe just being held back into those middle 80s on Sunday here as we continue that cooling trend. Another frontal boundary is going to be kind of delivering us another shot of some of that cooler and drier air. The reason for that, again, that bubble high pressure back to our south and west, that's actually turning our winds out of a more northwesterly direction. That's trying to carry in some of that cooler and drier Canadian air, at least for these next couple of days. But watch what this thing does here as it spreads back toward the east and then starts to encompass a good portion of the southern half of the lower 48. And that could be influencing us as well. Latest look at temperature tracker into about Wednesday and Thursday of next week. I think we'll start to see some of that heat starting to creep back in, and this could be some of the hottest temperatures that we've seen thus far, again, albeit in this early summer season. But temperature-wise, getting back into those middle 90s here is what we're looking at right now, and there's at least some data suggesting we could be getting even warmer than that in some spots. So something to keep an eye on, maybe put it in your back pocket right now. Tuesday onward looks like it's going to be downright toasty. And as we head into Sunday into Monday, still got some nice, pleasant weather across mid-Missouri. We've got to get around these storm chances, though, and we'll be tracking those here into the next 12 hours or so.